what's up out there, YouTube? Double D with Tournage Dubois. Welcome back. So today we're doing a quick update on the shop. It's really coming along. We're starting to see the end in sight. So we will jump right into it in just a moment with the update. So what we're going to see here today is time-lapse video of my buddy Jimmy coming over running the electrical for the lights. As you can see, the lights are on and it is quite bright in here. So we'll talk about that at the end. Then also my wife helping me frame up the wall where the lawnmower and the dust collector will be. So we'll jump right into that, and then we will come back and do a quick wrap up. So see you in just a couple of minutes. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those. We've made some big progress. Like I said, we actually yesterday, I didn't video it or film it because just time constraints and what we were working on, but we got that wall finished up and the dust collector installed. So I'll flip the camera around here real quick. So this is where the air from the dust collector, it comes through the wall and will vent back into here through a 1 micron bag. We got our finished up wall here, as well as down here, and on the other side we have our dust collector sitting on a 55-gallon drum with a cyclone, as well as the lawnmower sitting there. So this will all be framed off. Obviously the shop is quite in disarray as we've been working through it. I still have to insulate this wall and paint it. So that's kind of the agenda today, is to get this wall primered, and if it dries out enough, painted, and then we can get the electrical run. So hopefully the idea is we're going to have the propane heater that I had in the garage. That's going to sit on this wall, so we're going to get that run in and have that here. The bandsaw hopefully will sit here. We'll have a workbench over here. I'll probably have some cabinets up here on the wall. The table saw, I'm thinking, is going to probably go right in here, so I have room to put an outfeed table and move it around, and I can bring in large sheets right into the door, into the table saw. I'll have a workbench here with my grinder. Right next to that I'm going to have my lathe. And then I've been given an upright freezer that I'll use as a kiln that'll sit back here, and probably have some shelving for some blanks and things like that. And then up here, up above the lawnmower area, I'm planning on being able to store slabs and things like that. The piping for the dust collector will come up and run around here and then split off everywhere. So then I'll have my air filtration units hanging right up here to keep the air clean. So yeah, things are coming along really well. Super excited with how things are turning out and where we are with everything. Big shout out to Kim Tippin for the sticker exchange. So thank you, Kim, for that. I hope you got my sticker in the mail as well. Additionally, don't forget, this month right now we are giving away Brad's abrasive paste and tongue wax kits. So myself, David Adamson, Kim Tippin, Duca Heritage, and Brad's Wood Turning. I'll put links to all their information down below. Check them out, subscribe to their channels, and follow them. Comment as appropriate on their videos, but they talk about how to get that giveaway, and you can win across multiple channels. Additionally, last week on my video, there's a link right up here. Go by, check that out. That's where you can enter into my channel's drawing. Make sure you're a subscriber, comment appropriately, and then I'll be announcing my winner next month. Each person will be announcing next month for the 1-year giveaway on Brad's channel, supporting his producing this product for 1 year now. So definitely check everybody out, and everybody stay safe. We'll catch you next week.